Good morning, children. Today, in our EVS class, under the chapter Seed and Siege, we will talk about some more topics. First of all, I am going to give overview of this chapter. You already know about the seed, and now we will talk about the parts of a seed, types of seed according to texture, germination of seed, condition for germination of seed, steps in germination of a seed, dispersal of seed, as well as extraordinary plants. And we will talk about Velcro and its uses also. What is seed? As you already know, seed is reproductive part of the plant. It means plants give new baby plants with the seed. You can see different types of seeds in this slide. Now, parts of a seed. You can see in this seed that seed contains seed coat and food is stored inside it, and embryo and fruit leaf. From the embryo, a newborn plant develops. Now, types of seeds. There are many types of seeds in texture. Smooth surface seeds, as you can see that there is a carrot seeds, rough surface seed, for example gram, flat seed like pumpkin seed. Now we will talk about the germination of seed. As you know, germination is the process by which a seed grow in a new plant. You can see in this picture the process of seed germination. You can see a seed in the soil, then a radical like structure comes out that forms the root or root hairs. It is also known as hypocotyl, and upper part is known as epicotyl, from where the shoot develops. You can see in this picture. Next one is the condition for germination of seed. You know that a seed requires sunlight, air, water, and soil for germination. Dispersal of seed. This is scattering or movement of seeds from one place to another place. And I have already told you the causes of dispersal, that is wind, water, animals and humans, as well as bursting of fruits.